Welcome back to Culinary Museum. This is Chef Mohamed Abdell, and today we are turning tradition into artistry. Let me introduce you to a dish I call Black Symphony. Charcoal spaghetti with mussel, salmon caviar, and garlic cream foam. So first thing, we start with the onion first. We're gonna chop the onion. Then garlic. Then we just thinly slice. Then the mussel here. We cut it in a two different shape, like that. Then now is the pasta time, so the flour first. Egg yolk, water, and then 15 gram charcoal. Then pinch of salt. Cream foam, we just put the cream in, garlic infused inside, and chive. First thing is we put a little bit of olive oil, onion in, garlics, then lemon juice, salt of the pasta water, olive oil, pasta in. Mussels in, seasoning, salt, black pepper, a little bit pasta water in, let it reduce. When the lemon reduced, add the butter in, mix. Off the fire. So pasta in. Finish it with chive. More seasoning in here. And then now the time for plating up. Then pasta in, ring. Hold it and twist, hold and twist. Now remove the ring very gentle. Now we start to put the mussel with the sauce on top of the pasta. The tiny pieces of the garlic also. Salmon caviar just around the pasta here. And then the garlic foam just around. So now we explain the dish is we have the charcoal pasta with the mussel, lemon, butter, chive, and then salmon caviar. Finish it with the garlic foam on top. Black Silky Symphony, a dance of sea, tradition and innovation. If you feel inspired by today's creation, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. This Culinary Museum by Chef Mohamed Abdell, where we turn each plate into a masterpiece.